Struggling to keep tabs on Wikipedia articles without revisiting them every day? Learn how to add any page to your watch list in under a minute. First, search for the article you want. Then select the correct one. Finally, click the star icon to watch it. Type the name of the Wikipedia article you want to save into the search bar. Then, from the search results that appear, click on the correct article to open it. Click the star icon at the top right, the Watch button. Wait for the star to change color, confirming it's added to your watch list. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.